M15 lower time frame price making awesome oscillator divergence setup. When there is a divergence, price will make reversal or pullback next. M5 time frame we have QM pattern, higher high, lower low, entry point between higher high shoulders. We can use previous low and nearest demand zone as take profit areas.
A few moments later.
Price now in nearest demand zone. When you have profits, don't be too greedy to hold forever. Market has definite reversal or pullback every moment. If you going to leave Forex, think again why you started Forex.